Hi everybody, it's Brenda, Be Balanced Art here. Today I'm going to be doing a waterfall. I already have the colors mixed in my cup. I'm going to be using Liquitex Basics, Neon Pink, Art Deco, 24 karat gold, Rust-Oleum, Metallic Harbor Sky. This is a mix of several different blues. This is Deco Art Metallic Ice Blue, Rust-Oleum Metallic Amethyst, and I already have on the canvas some Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents Pearl White and some Apple Barrel White. I already have the colors put in my cup. I just let it run down the side. I'm going to get my gloves on now. I'm going to come around and make sure you can see the cup. Looks like you can see the cup. I let it all run down one side. It's layered very gently. I didn't want it to mix. It's not a dirty pour. See? I'm using a 12 by 16 canvas. Beautiful day, sunny, hot, but at least it's sunny. I'm going to start out putting these little cups so it raises it just a little bit because I want good coverage. I'm going to pour out of the end where I tipped from. Okay, my cups are too short. I was afraid of that, so I have some bigger cups sitting right here. Put a little bit on each side. Now back to my center. I just saw a beautiful pour by Catsplayart. She did a waterfall, and the colors were just amazing. And I did a waterfall a few days back and had planned on doing another one, but after seeing hers, I was inspired to go ahead and just get it done because it was so pretty. Okay, I'm getting close to the bottom, so I'm going to stop for the moment because I do want good coverage, so I'm going to tilt it around a little bit. Unfortunately, I think some of my base coat has dried while I was getting everything prepped. And then my back was hurting a little bit, so I decided to sit down for a minute before I started painting. And I think I sat down for too long. All right, back to my cup. I'm not going in circles, I'm just going up and down. Evelyn from Catsplayart does not go up and down, she just holds her steady. But for some reason it seems easier for me to go up and down. Now I'm going to tilt it some more and try and get these top corners. Hopefully you can still see me. But this is the only way I can get these top corners. There's one. One for the other corner. Tilt too fast when my back's hurting. Sorry, guys. I should be tilting a little bit slower. Luckily, I've got plenty in the cup to get my design back. But I never should have lost my design. So much paint on my hands. All right, let's go. I'll just let this run down for a while. runs down, I'm going to look at the canvas and make sure I've got good coverage. I'm going to rinse my gloves. And take them off. This time I went lighter on the pink. I love neon pink, and I've done one that had a lot of neon pink in the center. This time I wanted to have the Harbor Sky blue in the center because it's a color I hardly ever use, and it's a pretty color. It just does not work with a lot of different pours. It's a very overpowering color. Let me get my camera. Let me show you. This was yesterday's. Well, day before yesterday. I actually didn't paint today. Yesterday, sorry. So this was from day before yesterday. It's completely dry. It's a giant spiral flower on a 16 by 20. As you can see, it's really big. And it was a little difficult. Didn't come out exactly like I wanted. I don't hate it, but it didn't come out like I was hoping. Over here is today's pour. Got some cells, some veining. So this was my pour for today. I want you to have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment about this painting or have any questions, just please ask. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. This is Brenda with Be Balanced Art saying bye-bye.